bound for nowhere. I met up with the gambler. We were both too
DJ Aguero on the mix.
So we took
Mix master DJ Aguero on the mix.
At the darkness, till boredom overtook us, and he began to speak. He said, "Son of out of reading people's faces, knowing what the gods were, by the way they held their eyes. So if you don't mind me saying, I can see your outer faces. For a taste of your whiskey, I give you some advice." So I handed him my bottle, and he drank down my last swallow. And then he bummed a cigarette and asked me for a light. And his face lost all expression. Said, "If you're gonna play the game, boy, you gotta learn to play it right. You gotta know when
Mix master DJ Aguero on the mix.
Know when to walk away.
DJ Aguero on the
Know
mix.
when to run. You never count your money. Sitting at the table, there'll be time enough for counting when the dealing's done. The secret to surviving, knowing what to throw away, knowing what to keep. 'Cause every hand's a winner, and every hand's a loser. The best that you can hope for is to guide. And then you finish speaking, crushed out a cigarette, lit it off to sleep. And somewhere in the dark, gambler he wrote, but in his final words I found an answer.
No, I've never been someone shy until I seen your eyes. Still I had to try, yeah. Oh yes, let me get my words right and then approach you. When I'll treat you like a man is supposed to. You'll never have to cry, no. I know everyone can relate to when they find a special someone.